In front of me is HOTWAV Pad 8, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Security. Following that, click on Password located under Unlock Options and click on the best screen lock method for you: pattern, PIN or password. Now create it. Tap on Next at the bottom right corner and repeat it in order to confirm it. Then select Confirm also at the bottom right corner. Then you need to answer this question by choosing one of the available answers. How do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. Whatever you decided, when you finished, hit Done. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!